Yeah, hello. Once again, it's Richard Dupey here, and this is Noon Rush Wednesday. You remember the last week plan that I've posted that they play 76, following week 13, following week they have to play 63, 54, 90, and they play only the 63. Before I go to the main plan, this 90, 54 can play because of the 13 that they repeated. So the 90-54 can play, but you can add the 63 to it still, so that the 63 can also repeat and play with these numbers. That is one. But let's go straight to the new setting of the plan that I've shown last week. This one is also in the Noon Rush Wednesday paper itself. At event 221, they play 76. Then when you count one, the following week, as they play the 76, the following week they also play the 13. Then last week they played the 63. So you notice that it becomes a new plan altogether. The 76 would counter 31. That is the turning of the 13 to play with single 2. So single 2, 31. That is what it's supposed to play now. You come to the current, the same thing. That at event 147, they play 76. Following week 13. Then following week, as the 63 play, they have to play the 76 counter. That is 31 to play with the 13s turning to play with the single 2. That is the 2 shot. Single 2, 31. When you go to Monday special in the year 2022, the confirmation of the plan, you notice that at event 831 they also play 76. Following week the same 13 play. That last week we were expecting these 3 numbers 54, 63, 90, and they play only the 63. So now they have to continue with this setting. That is the playing of the 76, 13, and then 63. So the 76 will counter 31. That is the 13 standing to play with single 2. So single 2, 31. That is the 2 short. So the same thing is what they play in the Noon Rush paper itself. Single 2, 31. But the one in the national, they did not play that one. The one is in the national is this. They play the 76, 13, then the 63. But this event is also good to PERM. This event here is also good to PERM. But I'll be using the one in the Noon Rush paper itself. This one. I'm using this particular plan for the Noon Rush game today. Even though these 3 numbers is also good to play today again. You see? So if it's 3 numbers that they supposed to play last week, that they play only this one, the 90-54 supposed to play again. Supposed to now play because of the 13 repeat. Okay? But I'm using this event, that is event 124. And numbers on the event are 59, single 2, 31, 50, 32. 59, single 2, 31, 50, 32. Those are the 5 numbers that I'm using for Noon Rush Wednesday. I'm using the one in itself. The one in the midweek, the one in the Monday special confirmation is also good. Even the one in national, the continuation plan is good. But as it's set in itself, we have to use it. Okay? So let's hope for the best. Bye for now.